Foam roll exercise helps banish bloating. The key to good health is good digestion. Sadly, most of us experience common lifestyle problems today like bloating, constipation and belly discomfort. All these are signs of a sluggish digestive tract given our less physical activity. When digestion gets imbalanced and slow, the elimination of waste and toxins in the body suffers. This invites disease. Luckily, there is foam rolling. What does foam rolling do? It is aimed to do the following: improves digestive functions, improves circulation to the belly area, stimulates abdominal organs, minimizes bloating, minimizes stress and tension in the belly, enhances digestion, increases elimination, brings relief from constipation, calms down the nervous system, makes you sweat as you do foam rolling, thus eliminating toxins. Doesn't this new form of fitness workout look awesome? Let us find out more about how to foam roll away bloat. A tool that can tone up your body in all of 10 minutes and needs no fancy equipment except foam. Whoever came up with this unique concept of workouts? It is the structural integrative specialist and Goop's resident alignment guru, Lauren Roxburgh, who wrote the book on foam rolling titled Taller, Slimmer, Younger, 21 Days to a Foam Roller Physique. Incidentally, the fitness and alignment expert Lauren Roxburgh has worked with such stars as Gwyneth Paltrow, Gabby Reese, Melissa Roach, and Baron Davis. Says the expert Lauren Roxburgh on foam rolling: "My secret to gorgeous, slimmer, and more elegant posture is using a foam roller. $15. It can completely transform your body, posture, and even your state of mind." Most people think of the foam roller as a tool to roll out tight IT bands. But the roller can be a total body workout tool and actually mimic many of the moves you do on the Pilates reformer, think long and lean celeb bodies. It can help regenerate, hydrate, and smooth out your fascia, and literally roll away excess bulk, thickness, stress, and density. It can also boost circulation and lubrication to the tissue, which makes the skin and muscle look and feel suppler and more youthful. Rolling also stimulates the lymphatic system to help flush toxins, get rid of bloating, and even reduce cellulite. A regular rolling routine can help you lose inches, shrink your waistline, gain height, and even feel calmer. Whether you are wearing a sundress or your workout gear, these 4 postural moves will help you look and feel slimmer in no time. Advance praise for taller, slimmer, younger will stun you. As an athlete with a lifelong passion for fitness and wellness, I am always looking to get an edge in my body, and Lauren Roxburgh has helped me do just that. Lauren's philosophy will rejuvenate your body and spirit, helping you look and feel lighter and brighter, reducing stress and tension, while dramatically improving your stance in your body and also in your life. Gabby Reese, U.S. Beach Volleyball Champion. This book is sure to become the body Bible for anyone who wants to live a healthy, fit, and balanced life. Melissa Roach, actress, The Big Bang Theory and True Blood. Lauren's method sculpts the body's soft tissues, slimming and streamlining whatever part you work. She's a body whisperer. Goop. Wow. Doesn't all this about fascia and alignment sound promising and the in thing on the fitness front? Continuing the spirit of foam roll, let us find out more about the 4 postural moves. 1. Snow Angel. Lie on the foam roller. Extend your arms down by your sides, and the palms of your hands facing up. Take a deep breath as you reach your arms up overhead, keeping them close to the mat as much as possible and parallel to the floor. Now breathe out as you draw your arms back down to your sides. Repeat this 8 times. How to foam roll away bloat doesn't look difficult. Agreed. Let us find out more. 2. Roll out the kinks. Lie on your back. Make sure your knees are bent and your feet are on the floor. Place the foam roller under your back at the bra line, and lean the middle half of your back over the roller. Interlace your fingers behind your head to give your head and neck the support needed. Make use of your feet to drive the movement. Inhale as you roll up, and stop at the top of the shoulder blades. Exhale as you roll, while stopping at the bottom of your rib cage. 3. Diaphragm release. Sit on the ground and place the foam roller under the bottom of your shoulder blades. Move the fingers of your hands in each other and bring your hands behind your head to support your neck. Place your feet on the ground hip-width apart, with knees bent. Inhale as you arch your spine from middle to upper back over the roller. Exhale as you curl back up like you do crunches, and getting all the air out of your stomach. Repeat this 10 times. 4. Rolling rev push through. Sit down on the mat with the foam roller behind you. Your legs should be extended in front of you. Put your fingertips on the roller, keeping your arms straight and chest open. Shoulders should be at the back, and thumbs out to the side. Inhale as you roll back and feel the roller move up to your forearms. Exhale as you roll it back in and your body returns up to sit tall. Repeat this all of 8 times. Hope you liked the video. Do tell us how you found this post and when you are planning to start foam rolling.